If the Quran was written by God, and if God created the universe and was therefore present when the world began, this would be proved by including in the Quran evidence in the form of a description of how the world began. Well, in the Quran we have precisely this. I'm quoting from chapter 21, verse 30. Do the disbelievers not see that the heaven and the earth were one mass and we tore them apart? Well, 2 points. Firstly, were one mass and we tore them apart. This, of course, is the Big Bang. But the Big Bang theory was proposed in 1927, while the Quran was revealed 13 centuries earlier. Secondly, do the disbelievers not see? Well, the Big Bang theory was not discovered by Muslims, but by non-Muslims, disbelievers. Further, it was discovered in 1929 that the universe is expanding. This is also mentioned in the Quran. This is chapter 51, verse 47. We constructed the universe with power and we are expanding it. It's fascinating to imagine what the early Muslims thought when verses like this were revealed. One can picture desert Arabs looking up at the sky and wondering how it is expanding. A further point has recently come to my attention after I wrote the book. The English astrophysicist Stephen Hawking is considered one of the most intelligent people of the 20th century. And he wrote, if the rate of expansion 1 second after the Big Bang had been smaller by even 1 part in 100,000 million, it would have recollapsed before it reached its present size. On the other hand, if it had been greater by 1 part in 1,000,000, the universe would have expanded too rapidly for stars and planets to form. So what is the likelihood that this happened randomly by chance? So the second section of the book talks about such signs of God.